Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
I'm with Denean Fuentes.
Hi.
And I want to talk about the confidence issue with new stylists, even old stylists, even seasoned stylists. And you don't have confidence right away. Some people do, but typically majority of the new people coming out of hair school, you're a junior stylist, you first get your chair, you're on the floor. Almost everyone's petrified, right?
Very intimidating.
I didn't really assist, so I pretty much went right on the floor right away. And
Got lucky.
I just wung it. But I didn't really get confidence. Like when someone showed me a picture and I could look at it and be like, no problem. Until I would say like 10 to 15 years into doing hair.
100%.
I'm like I don't even worry about anything. Like you don't need to book a consultation with me. I'm just fucking come in, let's do it.
Let's just do it, yeah.
And you're doing hair how many years now?
12?
When did that
11, 12.
When did that happen for you?
I actually remember learning in hair school, one of my favorite teachers said to me, you will never feel that confident until you're at least 5 years in. And after 5 years, I definitely did feel a lot more confident, but I do feel like to have that somebody shows you a picture and you already know what to do didn't happen until like 3 years ago. Like it's still, yeah, 9 years, nine years.
And the only way to get that confidence is putting in the time.
Yeah.
Just experience.
Just doing it.
Seeing other stylists mess something up and fix it, or seeing how they did something, but just literally putting the hours in, hour after hour, year after year. You'll get better and better and better. Nobody was good when they first started.
No.
No one.
And like you might do one thing that absolutely terrifies you to do it again, but the only way to get better at doing that is to keep repeating it. Keep doing it and learn from your old mistakes.
Exactly. I mean, how many times have you left the salon and never wanted to do hair again?
So many. Like probably 6 months out of the year. It's hard.
It's really hard. Like I'm pretty proficient in short hair, long hair, highlights, color, corrective, anything. I still have days when I'm like, fuck this. Like I'll call my wife on the way home like, I'm done doing hair.
Yeah, you have a bad day.
I'm 25 plus
day.
years into this, yeah. And I still have some days where I'm like, you know what, that's it. I don't know why it didn't work what I did. Or sometimes like you get a creative moment and you're like, I'm going to try this new imaginary technique. I'm going to put a foil here and then I'm going to low light here. And then all of a sudden I blow her out and I'm like, what is this?
Yeah.
It happens to everyone.
Then sometimes those times can turn out some of the best things ever. I did that a couple weeks ago with my cousin. I was like, totally trust me. This is going to be great. And then behind her back, I'm like, I have no idea what I'm doing. And it turned out amazing. Just got to give it a go.
100%. And just for the fact that we're doing this for so long, and if you're new watching this, just know that you're not like out of place for feeling that way. Like I literally have driven home in the past year probably a dozen times, like I'm done doing hair.
And it's only June. Just saying.
It's wild. So don't get discouraged. Don't like big, I'm going to quit. I'm going to sell real estate, because if you
I've
can't
said that before.
if you can't persist in this career, you're not going to be able to persist in another career.
Yeah.
It's a character flaw. If you got in this for a reason, and I just made a video on that, why? Why did you start doing this?
Yeah. You have to start somewhere in any job. So if you love what you do and you really care about it, then you just got to keep pushing through it. I think it's normal to have a day every once in a while. We're not perfect.
Yeah.
We think we are, but we're not.
So if you're in this less than 5 years and you feel that way, it's completely normal. Don't quit. Keep on going. You're going to get better. It's going to get easier. And just remember, every single person, no matter if they're doing hair for 10 years, 12 years, 25 years, 40 years, they always go through it. So good luck. Have an amazing journey. And just when you get to the level where you're not, unconfident anymore and you feel like you can do anything, just know you're going to have your days too, but make sure you pass on the information to someone younger than you. So when you see that younger younger stylist sulking in the back, miserable, contemplating their life, talk to them.
Give them a shot.
Yeah, give them a shot. Don't just let them sit there and
You'll
think
be
they
sitting
suck.
here one day saying the same thing.
So hope that kind of brought you like a little bit of hope if you're younger watching this. We'll see you guys next time.
You got this.